All right, friends, what you see there is a water supply valve to my toilet, and a couple of problems are occurring right now. I think there's a bad seal in it because it won't shut off, and the handle itself, the knob, is broken, and so I want to replace that. My goal is not replacing the entire valve itself, but we'll see what happens. All right, you want to make sure that you shut off the main water source. Next, what you have to do is you have to run the water to get it out of the system. This one happens to be at my basement level, and I'm going to do it at all the other levels as well. Just do this. Okay, in order to see what the problem is, I shut off the main water and I bled water out of the system. Now what I'm going to do is flush the toilet, get the water out of the toilet, and then pull this apart and see what's going on there. We're going to start by unscrewing this. See what we're working with. Because I want to give myself some room to get at that nut right there. Okay. Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. There we go. Then we can get to this nut and hopefully remove it without spraying water everywhere. There we go. Now what I'm doing is removing this so I can get this part off. Alright, there's legitimately no room in there. So what I had to do was remove this broken one because that feels great to twist in your hands. There was a screw that went right there. All right. And I'm going to replace it with that. So what you do, fix that, and then this screw goes in there, right? You tighten it, and then you'll have control. I think I may have solved one of the problems. I already got this on, but that right there, that nut had gotten loose, and it wasn't allowing this to tighten enough and was allowing water to flow through here, so I couldn't shut it off. Let's test this theory. Okay, so we have water. Now what I'm going to do is try to turn it on and off from here. Okay? Yeah, it's giving us more water, but I have a leak there that I have to deal with. Great. That's not what I want. Okay, I'm going to work on that next. Crap. So what I ended up doing is I am using some pipe seal. All right, and that should block that leak. All right, we'll see if it works. Now what I should be able to do is put this back on and have control and no leaks. We'll see. All right, now what we've got to do is flush the toilet and see if we get any leaks there, and if we get any water flowing, and just as importantly, if we can stop water from flowing there. All right, let's try that. All right. Okay. Now I want to turn this on. That's working. I don't see any leaks. We may have done it. Okay, and now the moment of truth. It's not leaking, but can I stop this? And the answer is yes. It worked. Awesome.